Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And we're back today to talk about the September 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month was the September 8th through 10th early season winter storm. This was a really strong and cold low pressure system that dropped into the Four Corners area, and it basically remained there for about a day or so before it finally lifted northeast out of the region. This system produced some much needed widespread precipitation across the region. We saw some pretty good rain in the valleys with a new record precip of 0.88 inches set at the Grand Junction Airport on September 8th. We also saw snow as low as 7,000 feet, and some of our mountain areas saw an average of 5 to 10 inches of snow, with as high of an amount as 16 inches reported in a portion of the southwest San Juan Mountains. So looking at high temperatures across the region for the month of September, unfortunately we did still see a triple-digit value at Candylands with 102 degrees recorded on September 6th. Grand Junction and Rifle both topped out at 99 degrees early on in the month. And then the coldest high temperature for the month was Aspen with 88 degrees. Looking at low temperatures across the region for the month of September, so we were able to drop back to below freezing for a lot of areas. The coldest temperature of 20 degrees occurred at the Craig Airport on September 28th. Candylands and Grand Junction were the only exceptions with 36 and 39 degrees respectively on September 29th. And Montrose also, they were pretty mild too at 34 degrees on September 29th as well. Looking at precipitation across the region, so unfortunately that September 8th through 10th system was really the only good storm that we had. So as a result, all 10 of our climate sites across the region recorded below normal precipitation for the month of September. Grand Junction had the most precipitation with 1.13 inches, which was only 0.06 of an inch below normal. The least amount of precipitation fell at the Vernal Airport, which was 0.05, which was over an inch below normal. Other sites that were also over an inch below normal for the month of September, that was Durango, Craig, and Aspen. And unfortunately, as a result of the continued below normal precipitation, we did see the drought worsen. So right now we have the extreme to the exceptional drought across pretty much all of our region, except for this really small portion of northeast Utah, which has the severe drought. But otherwise, again, that drought just persisted, and the exceptional drought is the worst category of the drought. And looking at the outlook for the rest of October, the drought is expected to persist. So unfortunately, not much improvement, which lines up with the Climate Prediction Center's forecast for the rest of October. So for October, they're favoring odds of warmer than normal temperatures, which we're already experiencing. And as far as precipitation goes, same thing, unfortunately, just below normal precipitation for all of eastern Utah and western Colorado. And that wraps up our September 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you all next month. Bye, guys.